steal even well like the seaside. Pop L's down, watch him turn to a 3-5. One fell down, got a shell in the B hand. Jump out the ding, bro, listen to me like. Swing to him swift like Taylor. Shirt got ripped, he in need of a tailor. Made blood clot like he came from Jamaica. Run out of breath, go get my inhaler. Ouch.
If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know my split them longer than loose leaf. Grab her well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Yeah, yeah man, yeah, yeah man, yeah, 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 yeah man, yeah, yeah man, yeah, yeah man, yeah, yeah. The girl put OVE in her bio, so me no say Tevs and I fuck it. The girl put our world now, that's our girl. Me I'm just slam in the bucket. When the girl them want them fuck them know for reach me girl. Pon the phone just quick believe me girl. Pon the phone just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the tool and come.
Face to the face I hear the voice now. You don't know say a Cogency pon a Cogency Reacts channel. And today we have OVE, Bagzoverfame, Greeze and Riskey with Lay Low. I've never heard of Greeze, but everybody has been telling me to react to Lay Low. So we react to That's Calm. They have a song from long time named For Real. They have a next one talk about Still on the O or Out on the O, something like that. So OVE, sick. You understand? I don't want to waste too much time to jump into the shit. Just click my links in the description so I can feel nice, man. There's at least one person, if you're watching this, at least be the one person that follows me on Instagram, bro. So I can be like, alright, them niggas fucking with me, man. They listen to me when I tell them to follow me on Instagram. Because y'all niggas ain't follow me on Instagram, man. And subscribing to the other channels. But you know what? Fuck y'all niggas, man. I love y'all niggas anyway. Anyway, let's jump into this shit, man. Let's go. I said anyway 3 times a while ago. Let's jump into this shit. Islington. Bow, bow. Smoke.
This is a flash. Run from Jake's, bro, slide in the 8, but Taz got me staying at home. 4 or 5 or 2 in my zone. If you pop L's down, you ain't making it home, bro. Back shanks out on the betas or roads, that I wanna be famous. I wanna lay low like yo. Cover my face, won't show, but they wanna see face, no way, just know. Run from Jake's, bro, slide in the 8, but Taz got me staying at home. 4 or 5 or 2 in my zone. If you pop L's down, you ain't making it home, bro. Back shanks out on the betas or roads, that I wanna be famous. I wanna lay low like yo. Cover my face, won't show, but they wanna see face, no way, just know.
If I spot him, I got him. Fuck a beatbox, get straight to the wetting. If you slip, I'ma knot up your insides.
Oh, if I spot him, I got him. Fuck a beatbox, get straight to the wetting. Yes, let's go.
I wanna be famous, I wanna lay low like yo. Cover my face, won't show, but they wanna see face, no way, just know.
If I spot him, I got him. Fuck a beatbox, get straight to the wetting. If you slip, I'ma knot up your insides. Not a rock star, I'm a felon. 5 lick man, I don't know about get hard. We've been hard, Will Ferrell. Man still ask how my yings are, by a vineyard for several. Get busy, get Lizzie. 5 on the south side, Izzy. You see me, that's facts. From time it was me and the cats. The belly turn mad like I ate something bad. Still me and Bags be in the trap. We run with our lines, don't run with our shanks. Got Bruce on the side like Rambo. Chain no Django, breaking on me. Stick to the code, no changing on me. It's always the closest, hating on me. Don't look at me like a still young boy, rubbing up part, making change in it. I'm back on my Sutton and taking your G. Scarred up nukes for the talkers, peak. I'm with my OVs to the tape that scene.
Run from Jake's, bro, slide in the 8, but Taz got me staying out.
Alright, no. I feel like I missed a whole heap. Always said if you're vexed, bro, you're vexed. But I need to pull out that verse, bro. I have to.
Lay low like yo, cover my face, won't show, but they wanna see face, no way, just know.
If I spot him, I got him. Fuck a beatbox, get straight to the wettings. If you slip, I'ma knot up your insides. Not a rock star, I'm a felon. 5 lick man, I don't know about get hard. We've been hard, Will Ferrell. Man still ask how my yings are, by a vineyard for several. Get busy, get Lizzie. 5 on the south side, Izzy. You see me, that's facts. From time it was me and the cats. The belly turn mad like I ate something bad. Still me and Bags be in the trap. We run with our lines, don't run with our shanks. Got Bruce on the side like Rambo. Chain no Django, breaking on me. Stick to the code, no changing on me. It's always the closest, hating on me. Don't look at me like a still young boy, rubbing up part, making change in it. I'm back on my Sutton and taking your G. Scarred up nukes for the talkers, peak. I'm with my OVs to the tape that scene.
Run from Jake's, bro, slide in the 8, but Taz got me staying at home. 4 or 5 or 2 in my zone. If you pop L's down, you ain't making it home, bro. Back shanks out on the betas or roads, that I wanna be famous. I wanna lay low like yo. Cover my face, won't show, but they wanna see face, no way, just know. Get hit if you pop L's down. I can't wait till I pop L's now. Turn man victim if I got L's now. Constant itching cause I'm with L's now. I got bells now, but these bells don't jingle. 5 or a 2 if you're round, man, simple. Man for a deuce disappear like dimples. Come to the 2, watch him drop like singles. Bro, steal even well like the seaside. Pop L's down, watch him turn to a 3-5. One fell down, got a shell in the B hand. Jump out the ding, bro, listen to me like. Swing to him swift like Taylor. Shirt got ripped, he in need of a tailor. Made blood clot like he came from Jamaica. Jamaica, run out of breath, go get my inhaler. Ouch.
Fuck me, man. Jesus. Whoever that guy is, I don't think I've heard of him. Is he Greeze? Because that was crazy, bro. Jesus Christ. Dog, it's like I was here picking something off of my hand. You know what I'm saying? The weightlifters know, man, that, you know, even if you wear gloves, you still get callus on your hand. So I'm there picking it, just listening, bopping. You know what I'm saying? And then this nigga just comes in with a Super Saiyan, you know what I'm saying, 4. Like, what the fuck?
Wanna lay low like yo, cover my face, won't show, but they wanna see face, no way, just know. Get hit if you pop L's down. I can't wait till I pop L's now. Turn man victim if I buck L's now. Constant itching cause I'm with L's now. I got bells now, but these bells don't jingle. 5 or 2 if you're around, man, simple.
Man say, yo, these bells don't jingle, man.
Constant itching cause I'm with L's now. I got bells now, but these bells don't jingle. 5 or 2 if you're around, man, simple. Man, for a dude disappear like dimples. Come to the 2, watch him drop like singles.
Disappear like dimples, bro. You know how dog, that's crazy. I've never even thought of that. Disappear like dimples. What? How do you even think of that, dog? Mad.
5 or 2 if you're around, man, simple. Man, for a dude disappear like dimples. Come to the 2, watch him drop like singles. Bro, Steve even well like the seaside. Pop L's down, watch him turn to a 3-5. 1 fell down, got a shell in the B hand. Jump out the things, bro, listen to me like.
No.
Now constant itching cause I'm with L's now. I got bells now, but these bells don't jingle. 5 or 2 if you're around, man, simple. Man, for a dude disappear like dimples. Come to the 2, watch him drop like singles. Bro, Steve even well like.
Watch him drop like singles. Dog, I just realized I was wondering what single is it? Like a single, bro, like a song, bro, like he's dropping a song. Sorry, dog, I'm kind of slow.
Around, man, simple. Man, for a dude disappear like dimples. Come to the 2, watch him drop like singles. Bro, Steve even well like the seaside. Pop L's down, watch him turn to a 3-5. 1 fell down, got a shell in the B hand. Jump out the things, bro, listen to me like. Jump out, swing to him swift like Taylor. Shirt got ripped, he in need of a tailor. Made but
What? Did him swift like Taylor? Shirt got ripped in need of a tailor. What?
jump out the things, bro, listen to me like. Jump out, swing to him swift like Taylor. Shirt got ripped, he in need of a tailor. Made blood clot like he came from Jamaica. Breath, go get my inhaler. Ouch.
I made blood clot like I came from Jamaica. Big up, no, big up. This I get 10 out of 10 just for that alone. Like I came from Jamaica and what? I ran out of breath, dog. Where's my inhaler? Like this guy's sick.
Shirt got ripped, he in need of a tailor. Made blood clot like he came from Jamaica. Run out of breath, go get my inhaler. Ouch. Back of the dings, go scalpel, slap that slouch, get him sliced like pizza. See him try go north, go south, go pat that down, tryna find that beater. Man slap that, see him couch like Peter. Bad whack that, give a rounds like FIFA. Back slap that, give a pipe like Caesar. Man tap that with a knife on Eva. Yeah.
What the fuck, dog? How am I supposed to react to this, dog? Like, a theme verse alone, my for breakdown, like, I'm pulling this up. If you watch this channel, you know I'm pulling this up. Because that nigga spat some bars that I need to go and break down. But, like, sometimes, I don't know what to even say, dog. Because these guys, man, like this, how do I even react to this? I already gave him all the top reactions for the previous 2 flows that he just did. And him hit me with a 3rd one. Like, bro, I don't have any energy anymore, bro. Like, I'm tired now, fam. I'm tired, man.
Run out of breath, go get my inhaler. Ouch. Back of the dings, bro, scalp, bro, slap that slouch, get him sliced like pizza. See him try go north, go south, bro.
Get what, like pizza?
Ouch. Back of the dings, bro, scalp, bro, slap that slouch, get him sliced like pizza.
Getting sliced like pizza.
See him try go north, go south, bro, pat that down, tryna find that beater. Man slap that, see him couch like Peter. Bad whack that, give a rounds like FIFA. Back slap that, give a pipe like Caesar. Man tap that with a knife on Eva. Yeah, man, cover my face, them honcho. Man's been in these council flats, so I really feel like my name's them honcho. Need more calm days, bro, up on hard days. Won't take nothing, I'll do man wrong. Telling that class, say I'm in a fast lane, and I got Peppy singing my songs. Lol, she don't even know what I'm on. Wait, who?
Lol.
Back on who? Greeze or one ching, I'll have whacking man 2 speedos. You gonna swim if I.
Oh, that's Greeze, the guy in the grey. Okay.
She don't even know what I'm on. Wait, who? Back on who? Greeze or one ching, I'll.
Dog, Bagzoverfame and Riskey, dog, they're goated, fam. I hope those niggas don't stop making music, bro. And Greeze is sick as well. The verse that Greeze gave today, fucking sick. OVE just sick, dog.
And I got Peppy singing my songs, lol. She don't even know what I'm on. Wait, who? Back here on who? Greeze or one ching, I'll have whacking man 2 speedos. You gonna swim if I back here on you. Amigo slapped him, so I slap man 2. I'm a voice.
What? Not even amigos, so I slap man too. Man say a speedo, cause he got splashed and man, just listen.
And I got Peppy singing my songs, lol. She don't even know what I'm on. Wait, who? Back here on who? Greeze or one ching, I'll have whacking man 2 speedos. You gonna swim if I back here on you. Amigo slapped him, so I slap man 2. I'm a voice of the street, no radio extra. I couldn't cap like you know, I swear.
What?
amigo, slapped him, so I slapped man too. I'm a voice to the street, no radio extra. I could've capped like you, no, I swear like I could've chat like you. My young boys like I wanna trap like you. Hybrid state is great, not bit, but who wanna come round these sides? Hold on, broski, wait, who are these guys? Inject that watching bop like Levi. I take walks on the up block and I produce that shank if I see guys. It's whatever you like.
I take walks on the up block and alright. Lead to the V and walks. Alright. I see, I fuck with it.
Bop like Levi. I take walks on the up block and I produce that shank if I see guys. It's whatever you like T.I. I'm on tag if I go jail free. I run from James, bro, slide in the 8, but tags got me stay.
Nah, I'm not letting that slide, bro. I'm pulling that up.
You gon' swim if I back it on you, amigo. Slapped him, so I slapped man too. I'm a voice to the street, no radio extra. I could've capped like you, no, I swear like I could've chat like you. My young boys like I wanna trap like you. Hybrid state is great, not bit, but who wanna come round these sides? Hold on, broski, wait, who are these guys? Inject that watching bop like Levi. I take walks on the up block and I produce that shank if I see guys. It's whatever you like T.I. I'm on tag if I go jail free.
Man say I walks on the up block and produce
on these sides, hold on, broski, wait, who are these guys? Inject that watching bop like Levi. I take walks on the up block and I produce that shank if I see guys.
And I produce that shank if I see guys. Yo, that's sick.
It's whatever you like T.I. I'm on tag if I go jail free. I run from James, bro, slide in the 8, but tags got me staying at home. 4 or 5 or 2 in my zone. If you pop L's down, you ain't making a home. Bro, back shanks out on the bait. It's a rose that I wanna be famous. I wanna lay low like yo. Cover my face, won't show, but they wanna see face. No way, just know. Run from James, bro, slide in the 8, but tags got me staying at home. 4 or 5 or 2 in my zone. If you pop L's down, you ain't making a home. Bro, back shanks out on the bait. It's a rose that I wanna be famous. I wanna lay low like yo. Cover my face, won't show, but they wanna see face. No way, just know.
No way, just know. No way, just know. Hey, I gotta wear the snow. I'm in a trap with snow, and I gotta wear the snow. Aye, come on. Yeah, OVE, Bagzoverfame, Greeze and Riskey, lay low, 10 out of 10. Cause the man say I make blood clot like Jamaicans. That alone make me get 10 out of 10, brother. The beat sick, and all these verses were sick, nigga. All these niggas drop bars where I'm like, what the fuck? And then the flows from Riskey. Disgusting, dog. Disgusting. Or is it Bagzoverfame? I don't fucking know, man. You see when they don't show their faces, it's hard to tell who is who, bro. But like, I think Riskey is a guy in the like a blue jacket. Maybe. I don't know, man. But this was sick. 10 out of 10. Tell me what you rate it. Tell me what you want me to react to next. And you don't know. Cogency on the Cogency Reacts channel. I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace.
Yeah. Girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3.